Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to text effect in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. Firstly then show the Word document. In this video I will show that is the text effect. Now select from the any text, select. Now going to the home menu option. Now click on the text effect option, then show the text effect and trigraphy. Now for click, then analysis effect and the adjust the effect. Now select from the text effect. Now click for the outline color, then analysis color. Then again select from text effect. Now click for the shadow option, then analysis shadow. This shadow is the no shadow, outer, inner and respective shadow and reflection, then analysis and the glow. That's it. Then again select other text option. Now going to the text effect option. Now click on the outline color, then analysis color. And shadow. That's it. Then I show the text effect Microsoft Word document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.